I've spent much of today going through court documents, and I was able to find out that Christian Pfahlert has a history of speeding. This week, she surrendered her license after being charged with driving under the influence. In addition to that, we learned she resigned as a High Point police officer yesterday after serving the department for 2 years. High Point police tell us that she was riding a motorcycle on North Main Street at Eastchester Drive around 3 a.m. Tuesday. Court documents say Pfahlert was driving 70 miles per hour in a 35 speed limit zone, and a breathalyzer showed her blood alcohol level was nearly double the limit at 0.12. A local legal expert, Jason Keith, tells me a level that high can be chaotic for the driver and their surroundings.
That is excessively higher about alcohol and concentration. And a lot of times when you get to a point 1, 2, there will be obvious signs of impairment. I mean, slurred speech, somehow you're not able to maintain the normal mental faculties, issues, maybe walking or to some degree.
A spokesperson for High Point Police tells us Pfahlert turned in her badge and resigned yesterday. I asked the attorney what that means for her career.
There's going to be something wrong listed on your employment file or your record due to some conduct. It's better to leave and try to leave under settings and circumstances that says, hey, I'm just going to leave. So you don't have to worry, hopefully, as much about that information, that bad information, following you on to your next position.
Court documents show Pfahlert has a history of speeding dating from 2016, and 3 out of the 4 charges were at least 15 miles per hour over the speed limit. Now, those charges were dismissed by a judge, and right now her license is revoked for 30 days, and she has to pay a court fee to get it back.